Come on in. This builder's own stately Colonial has 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. It's almost 5,000 square feet. It has a first floor bedroom with an ensuite bath and 4 more bedrooms upstairs, each with their own bath as well. The lower level is an absolute dream. It's got a home theater, arcade room, billiard room, and a bar that even has its own little stove. Definitely an entertainer's delight. The movie theater is the perfect spot to invite your family and friends. We have 8 recliner chairs, fiber optic ceiling, and surround sound. It's the true movie theater experience. The bar in this home is a true showstopper. Granite countertops, ice maker, dishwasher, even a Viking stove. It has everything you could possibly need. Your friends are gonna wanna stay for forever. In fact, I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna have a drink. Come on down. This home sits on 1.7 acres of land, which means plenty of room for a pool. It's also less than 5 miles to the beach, easy access, and right near the Garden State Parkway and 195. So whether you work in Princeton, Philadelphia, or Manhattan, this is an amazing location.